Rod versus Mystic Timbers. Lightning Rod is an RMC topper track coaster. Mystic Timbers is a GCI wooden coaster. Lightning Rod is about 3,800 feet long. Mystic Timbers is about 3,265 feet long. They have a 20-mile-an-hour difference in their speed, with Lightning Rod being 73 miles an hour and Mystic Timbers being 53 miles an hour. Lightning Rod is 207 feet tall without the mountain, and Mystic Timbers is 109 feet tall. Gerstlauer trains are used on Lightning Rod. Millennium Flyer trains are used on Mystic Timbers. The terrain is involved with Lightning Rod, and the trees are involved with Mystic Timbers. Obviously, the trees. Lightning Rod is the grand champion of the 2019 Coaster Battle from Liam Out Loud. Let's take a POV ride on the world's greatest wooden roller coaster. This is Lightning Rod, RMC topper track designed by Alan Schilke. So you go up this LSM launch that sends you at 45 miles an hour. Then you go into the double camelback hills, which truly gives some astounding airtime. And then you go into the 165-foot drop into a 95-degree wave. Then you go into a turn, which leads you into a sideways airtime 90-degree banked turn. And then you go into another off-axis airtime hill, which gives you sideways airtime, then some more airtime. Now you are going into my favorite part, the quadruple down, coming off the mountain. And then you get some airtime, and then you go into this non-inverting half loop. And then you hit the braking. It is truly an astonishing roller coaster. Check out all my cool merch like this at rollercoasterstore.com and liamoutloud.com.